Before we start with the main video, I would like to thank you, ShiftSync, for being the main video sponsor for today. I love communities. You can meet with like-minded people to exchange on specific topics and learn something new. In case you missed it, there is a great new community out there waiting for you to join for free. It's called ShiftSync, a place for testers, developers and DevOps specialists and others, if you like so. The goal of ShiftSync is to create a dynamic and engaging space for developers, testers and industry leaders to share knowledge and grow professionally. Quality is more than testing, and such sharing with collaboration will help improve the software development lifecycle on every stage. From a security point of view, code writing, defining requirements, or accelerating performance and setting up high-functioning development teams. ShiftSync is a community for anyone and everyone interested in all aspects of quality engineering, from left to right across the software development spectrum. You can engage with relevant end users, practitioners, testers, developers, DevOps specialists, software administrators, or product managers. You can find relevant content such as blog posts, discussions, roundtables, or webinars. The community created also added gamification to solve missions and challenges, to earn points and to rank with the community members. So that's a great thing. Make sure to sign up, use the link in the video description, and to start your community collaboration today and find like-minded people to exchange your knowledge, share your knowledge and grow your skill set as of today. And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Software Testing. My name is Daniel Knott and I'm happy that you're here. I bet you have seen already in the video title. Today is again something about mobile and mobile testing, mobile automation, but again it's a really cool community-driven project. And as you have already read and seen, is like the title is like how other companies automate on mobile. If you have seen already my previous videos on how other companies do software testing, like Google, Airbnb, Meta and other big brands that we all know, I also made another video about the Mobile Native Foundation, where companies basically shared information on a public GitHub profile about how they do mobile automation, mobile testing, mobile setup, and so forth and so forth. And here's another cool community project created by Alexey Alter-Pesotskiy. Sorry if I put your last name wrong, Alexey. And I stumbled upon this cool project in the software testing newsletter. So kudos to Dawid for creating this really cool product or like newsletter for our software testers. And just after I read the community project in the newsletter, I thought like, hey, this is a great addition for my YouTube channel, because I was talking already so many times on mobile testing tools, test automation, tools to use, and also community projects related to that. And yeah, so let's take a look at the GitHub account or on the GitHub project from Alexey, and let's take a quick look what we can find over there and what you can benefit from. So let's take a look. So as you can see here, this is the GitHub project, and as always I put the link into the video description. Make sure to check it out. And it says it's a curated collection of publicly available resources on how software companies implement automation on iOS and Android platform. And this is what I see also from your feedback and from your questions, is that mobile automation is still a big topic for you to handle and how to do it. So if you'd like to know more, check the videos that are already created on mobile testing, mobile automation, mobile toolings. It might be helpful for you. So let's take a look at this one here. So how they automate a mobile. So there's a nice image. And so these are the kind of topics that you can find. So it's about testing, tooling, CI and CD, which is already a lot. And as you can see here, it's a long list of companies starting from Adobe all the way down the list. So let's take a look at, I don't know, how Apple is doing automation on mobile. So we can enlarge it, so you can see there's a lot of information available, publicly available. So that's the cool thing to know. So it's a long list of things. So it's even something like in 2022. So deep dive into Xcode Cloud for Teams, how to do that, or how to get the most out of Xcode Cloud, and so forth. We also have something regarding Box. so it's like 4 years old, but still it doesn't mean that the resources are like old or like look like, oh man, it's 4 years old. It's still good to get ideas, like to generate new ideas for your test setup, for your test infrastructure that you have in your company. So that's what you can benefit from such a community project, because it's like a complete list of curated content that is focusing on one specific topic, and that is mobile automation in that case. And I know that there are many companies out there that are still learning how to get into mobile testing, and especially into mobile automation. And I have seen many companies struggling with that topic. So this is a really great project that you can get a look at. So here's also something from GitHub, how we ship GitHub mobile every week. Really cool topic. I already looked it up. Really impressing what GitHub is doing here. We have some information from Google. It's also a long list from 2013 to 2018. There was some documentation. We have something from Instabug, like how to do a test strategy. We have something from LinkedIn. We have Netflix. We have Pinterest. We have PayPal. So as you can see, there's lots of content. How Shopify is doing mobile. You can see and browse to your need. And now, in case you find the information really helpful, you can also contribute. So in case you have something that you, for example, you would like to contribute to the project, and you would like to help this project to grow, and you work in a product company or in any other company that is working towards mobile testing, mobile automation, feel free to contribute. So you can see here, there are like 2 contributors for now. So what you can have to do in order to contribute is you have to fork the project and then create a pull request against the master project. So that's really cool to think. And as you can see here, just noticing it right now, they are also giving some credits on the other projects that I already mentioned in a couple of videos before. It's like how they test. So maybe you remember that I was talking about this project. Like it's similar approach, like how they do testing in companies like for example Figma or Facebook, now Meta, and also the Mobile Native Foundation is mentioned here to give some credits back and to Kudos back. And that's the really cool thing, is that in order you would like to contribute and help us as a community, being in the testing and development or product community, feel free to contribute if you're allowed to, of course. And to share the knowledge with all of us, because only then we can grow together, and we can get better. And with that, thank you, Alexey, again for creating this list of things. I'm not through all the resources yet. I'm still working on it, on the reading list, but it's really cool. Thanks for creating. Thanks, Dawid from the Software Testing Newsletter, for like adding into your system to get to myself. So that's great. So I hope this video helps all of us again to talk about the product and the project, and to spread the word into the world of the testing community. Thank you. In case you liked the video, leave a thumbs up, leave a subscription as always. I wish you all a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.